Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, I am so excited. We are repairing our back deck. Yes, I cannot wait to get it finished and furnished. So today I am just gonna wait till he's finished with everything. And it may not be the same day because I know he's not gonna finish in one day. It's only a one person here, so we're just gonna wait and be patiently. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get these groceries and come back and show you what I got. I'm not gonna show you where I'm at, but I'm gonna show you what I purchased, okay? So if you're new to my channel, I would love for you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm so excited for you guys to come and join the family. Please, everyone, share this video with everyone that you know. Also, give this video a thumbs up and every other video that I upload so that it can put it in its algorithm so YouTube will notice it and push it out even more. You guys, I'm just so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see this finishing product. Thank you so much for watching these videos, supporting me, liking, sharing, and leaving comments down below. I really appreciate it all. So guys, with further ado, we're going to get right into the next part of this video. All right, guys, we're back from our grocery haul, and here are some of the things that we picked up from Costco and Aldi's and Wegmans. That's the three places we went to. So we got the organic coconut water that I will be using in our immunity shots that we make. You can go see the full recipe on my daughter's channel, Jazzy TV, to show you how we make it. Also have me some protein shakes for me to go on the go when sometimes I don't have time to eat. I want to just hurry up where I don't feel like eating, but I don't want to skip a meal, so I drink these. And also have my Amberine, help with the menopause. If you're going through that, girls, you got to get you some of this. It's all natural, so it's really good for you. All right, so we got a mango here. We got some eggs. We got some strawberry. We got the Airborne's on deck. Got this from Costco. Also, we got the oranges here. Reason why I have a whole lot of that's going inside of our immunity shots. Our lemons here. We love to drink lemon with our water. It's for health, beauty, lifestyle, recipes, and cleaning, and more. So that's why we got the big bag for this. And also, we have some rotisserie chicken that came from Wegmans. I don't know if I showed you the strawberry. The strawberry came from Costco. And the folio cheese came from Wegmans. And also this big box of ginger. We got this from Costco. It's the organic one. You can put in your tea, your juicing, your smoothies, or your stir fry, whatever way you want to make it. Also, you know we got to have the coffee on deck. This time my daughter picked out caramel macchiato, and I think she got this one from Aldi's, I believe. And we also got the green onions here because I already showed the recipe when we make for our chicken, rotisserie chicken. We add all this in it. We have the tomatoes here on deck, the chicken and rice recipe. And I also get my chicken thighs from Costco. And we got the real mayonnaise from these. So this was just a quick grocery haul to show you guys what I use to make or eat throughout our lifestyle. But I will show you different ones later on in that. So I'm gonna get started with this video. We just came back from the gym and everything. So I gotta finish up on my projects that I'm doing. And I will show you guys, hopefully it'll be able to come up uploaded soon. Alright guys, here's the chicken. I'm done yet. This is the go. I will be making some jerk chicken with this. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Alright guys, so the deck is finally done. Looks great, feels great. Trash is all picked up now. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up real quick.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease.
No, put it down for you. Go ahead. Now go ahead and not run, right? You said run. You want me to see it? What's that? Oh, what? The camera showing me? Put it down here. Oh, because you tapped it. All right, guys, we have came to the end of this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. It's been a long process, but we did get it done. I'm so glad. It looks great. It looks marvelous. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. Until the next video,